Hi everyone, this is Coach Laudiaann, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually parked in front of Planet Fitness. I'm gonna go work out in a few minutes, but this is Thursday morning. It's kind of gloomy here in California. People are coming out. There's people at the gym now, and I'm actually gonna go in there and start doing some exercises. Now, yesterday morning I was so tired getting off my shift because I worked 12 hours and I rested the whole day, but then later I woke up and I made some coin purses, and I'm going to share them with you because I'm actually going to list these in my Etsy shop too. I made one is already listed, but it's two color one, so you can go ahead and check it out at these Dandy Crafts on my Etsy shop. But these right here, I'm actually going to be listing them, and I'm going to sell them to you for $5. But you have to pay taxes, you know. The shipping cost is like another $4.50, I think. So I think the total will be like 10 or 11 something that you would have to pay for two of these. But usually at the craft show it will be like $4 each, because they go really fast at the craft show. But online it will be 2 for $5, okay? A really good deal. These are little, you can put this and hook it with a keychain, but it is a little coin purse thing. No strap, okay? A lot of people have been buying the ones with the strap, but I figure that these will be really good for like lip balmers, you know, or if you have a few quarters or, you know, some change, you know, this will be really good for you to keep your change aside. And then I have one that's listed on my shop at these Dandy Crafts. It's more of a wallet size that you can put your credit card. I'm going to be making more bigger sizes too. So it doesn't take me that long to make these. It actually takes me 5 minutes. I can whip one up real quick, and I actually got some here that I'm going to be making more. I actually got this little pouch bag. It's cute because if I go out and if I want to crochet, I take this little bag, and I have my yarn. I'm going to make some blue ones and some pink ones and some burgundy ones, and I put everything, my scissors, my hook and everything, and this holds pretty much everything. So if I'm on the go with my husband somewhere and he's driving, I'm always crocheting. I'm always being productive. I was adding things on my shop. Alright, I have been really working on my online shop. I have listed some ebooks there. And it's work when I produce an ebook, guys. It's not like I just whip it off, you know. It takes me like an hour or so. Or if I do a crochet pattern, it takes me a while, probably like an hour to create a crochet pattern. So if you're starting to do an online business, I'm going to tell you now, it's not a get rich scheme where you can make a lot of money. You do have to put time into it, and you got to do all the work. But to help you sort out and plan out a good plan, you need to write down your goals, okay? You got to write down what you're going to do for that day, all right? Because if you don't write down, it's hard to schedule and organize yourself to get things accomplished, what you want to get done. So this morning, I'm going to go work out. Yeah, last night I made a dinosaur. I made a Stegosaurus, and he is so adorable. And I usually sell my amigurumi for $7 at the craft show, but online, this particular one that I made last night, the Stegosaurus, is a really cute one, cute little buddy. I gave it some really detailed eyes, and the yarn is really good quality, so he's gonna cost a little bit more, probably like $20. that's kind of low for it, because a lot of people are selling their amigurumi dolls like $35, but I always cut it down. I don't really charge a whole lot, so like $25 is the best for me, probably. But it will be probably $19.99, and then you got to pay the shipping and the cost if it, you know, online. So it just depending on the quality of the yarn and how I make my dolls. So whatever the quality of the yarn is, the cost of it is the better value and quality, the higher the amigurumi doll animal is gonna cost higher. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go and work out right now. I am glad that I can make a really quick video, and I'm gonna upload this video. Thank you guys. If you're new to my channel, check out my videos, hit that like button, and watch several videos. Okay, I want people to come to my channel that love my channel to subscribe. All right, if my channel doesn't interest you, don't subscribe, but you can come back and visit me, because I do upload really great, good quality content. Sometimes I will speak about what I read, and I will put it into a little study for you guys to help you grow in your personal development, because I do talk about mindset too as well. And I make money online is the thing that I love. I do make money online, and I do make money offline, and I do have a little tiny part-time job, but soon to be, when I retire, from when I turn 65, I don't want to work a full, I don't want to really go to work anymore for a 12-hour shift or work at the hospital anymore. So I want to work for myself. So when I get my money from the Social Security, then I'll have something lined up with my YouTube channel, bringing in money, my affiliate marketing, bringing me money, my established craft shows are going to bring in money for me. So I'm always got to do something, and then by the time, maybe in 7 years, I can go back to my music ministry, where I usually go in nursing homes and I play my flute, and they pay me for entertainment. They do actually pay me for the seniors to entertain them, so I really enjoy that too. And I'm a flautist. I do flute therapy when I do that. Well, guys, I am talking so much, but I'll see you in the next clip. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Call to action, click on the link below if you want to make money online. Start today. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.